Hey, mother truckers! And I'm back. And guess what, guys? I'm back with red freaking hair. But yeah, I'm in my uniform. I didn't change it. But yeah, did you guys miss me? Because I missed myself. No, that sounds so fucking conceited. But yeah, hold on. You make me feel protected, like you're my bodyguard. You will take me everywhere, like you're my chauffeur and I'm a star. All of the things you do just define who you are, and you are everything to me. Whenever I get lonely, you're there to be my friend. And when I'm sad, make me laugh like a comedian. And like someone created, you think of different ways, make me feel special each day. All I can say, you're simply amazing. I'm in love with everything about you. Please don't change. You're simply amazing, and I don't know what I would do without you. You cook just like a chef and serve me like a butler. You're like my doctor, baby, heal my body like no other. God is the greatest goddess, and He gave me a masterpiece the moment that He sent you me. You are my greater person, you're like a celebrity. When I'm around you, I just feel like I'm a better me. You are my dream come true. You show me different ways to make our love new each day. Yeah, that's all I can say. You're simply amazing. I'm in love.